In this video, I want to show how you can patch an inflatable trampoline. I found this on Facebook Marketplace. It had 2 holes in it. You know, the owner said she was just getting rid of it. She couldn't find holes. She was selling it for $300. Normally it's like $1,000 on Amazon. So, you know, we live by a lake now. Wanted to patch it up. I used my Ryobi inflator. Didn't have the exact match to it, but I just used some plumber's putty to create a seal and turned it on. Worked like a charm and filled it right up. So after you fill it up, then you have to put some soapy water. So that's what I did. Here I'm just showing again this filling up. It was quite a large trampoline. It's a 10-foot. Can't wait to get it on the lake. And then I got some simple green because I wanted to clean it at the same time. It was a little dirty. And I figure I'm going to store this for the winter soon, so I might as well clean it up. And then added some soap to some water and a sponge. Just cleaned the whole thing and just started looking for air bubbles to start coming. So you just have soapy water and you look for air bubbles. Here's one of the air bubbles that you can see forming. So this is just like what they do if you have a hole in your tire or something, or a slow leak somewhere. You know, they'll just spray it with some soapy water and then you just patch wherever you see the water bubble. So take a Sharpie or something and mark that hole. So after you're done cleaning the whole thing, you can find it again. Yep, so that's what I did, and I discovered 2 holes. And the original owner of this trampoline just had no idea and was getting rid of it for cheap. I mean, $300 isn't that cheap, but they only used it 1 or 2 times, they said. So I was pretty grateful to get it. So then I just rinsed it all off and then deflated it. Actually, no, I wanted to dry it off first before deflating, so I brought it in my garage and just let it dry till morning. Okay, so we're getting ready to patch this thing. We marked the holes. There's only really 2 holes on this thing. I was reading the directions on the trampoline thing. It says, use rubbing alcohol to clean this place up. Then dab some of this polyurethane glue on the area, let it dry till it's tacky, and then you can cut out a little patch of these patches that they provide and adhere it. I'm also going to sand the area a little bit just to get a little rougher, and they said make it a circular patch, so here we go. So first step I did was to rough up the area with a little bit of sandpaper. I don't think this is exactly necessary, but I figured it could only help. And then I cleaned it up with some rubbing alcohol just to get rid of any pollutants there and create a good adhesion. Then I took the glue and started dabbing it around the area. Actually ended up needing a little more glue than I had originally thought. So just spread it really thin. And then they said to wait a little bit for it to get tacky. So actually it got tacky pretty quickly. So really just wait like 15 to 30 seconds. And then put the patch on and press it as firmly as you can. Try to have something hard underneath. And then take a credit card or something and just spread it flat. And that's basically it. That's how you patch the hole. So just spread it as flat as you can, and then give it 24 hours. They say give it 24 hours for all the patches to solidify before inflating it. So that's what I did. I think there was only 2 real holes, but there was some areas of wear, so I just patched those 2 while I was doing this. And then I gave it 24 hours for it to fully cure before inflating it. So then a day later I inflated it and let the kids jump on it a little bit and kept it inflated for about 3 days just to make sure, I didn't mix any holes and it would hold the pressure, which it did. So I'm very happy to have this now very cheap trampoline to have lakeside in the springtime. So I'm going to deflate it now and store it away. But yeah, kids definitely had some fun with it. Anyway, I hope this video helped you guys. Have fun. Good luck. Godspeed. Don't forget to subscribe. See us jumping on this in the springtime. Okay, have a good one.